Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we will learn a new letter from the Arabic alphabet. The letter Sin. Try it with me. Sin, Sin, Sin. Good. Let's learn how to pronounce Sin with short and long vowels and double vowels and some Arabic words. Let's start with short vowels. Sin with fatha. Sa, sa, sa. Sin with dhamma. So, so, so. Sin with kasra. Si, si, si. Now let's try it with the long vowels. So, 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 si, si, si. Now double vowels. Send, send, send. Sun, sun, sun. Sin, sin, sin. Great. Let's see some Arabic words that use the letter sin. Safarun, 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 safarun. Rassamun, rassamun, rasamun, rassamun. Masamirun, masamirun. Masamirun, masamirun. Try to say sa, sa. Repeat after me. So, so. Si, si. So, so. So, so. Si, si. Send, send. Sun, sun. Sin, sin. Excellent.